Alright guys, I just got done spraying all 3 cans of the white base coat. And so far they're looking really good. I think 3 cans was just enough. Alright guys, I just got done spraying all 3 cans of the white base coat. And so far they're looking really good. I think 3 cans was just enough. I got plenty coats on there. And so far they're looking really good. I'm gonna wait for this to dry overnight and I'll come back tomorrow morning and we're gonna start spraying the 2K clear. Where is it? Right here. Alright guys, so it's the morning now. Set skirts look really good. Now it's just time to spray some clear over them. But I first gotta give them a good cleaning. Little stuff like that. Like, I guess fly poop or like little bugs that were in the garage got on them. So I'm gonna give them a really good cleaning and then spray some clear, which is right here. This stuff. Alright, so let's get to it. Alright, so I just got done spraying the clear. There is some stuff that's falling on it. It kind of sucks, but it is what it is. I am spraying outside. Hopefully those will come out when it's all dry. I can probably sand them. I think I'm gonna have to wet sand and polish this because it looks like there's gonna be orange peel, but other than that, the 1 can did 2 coats, 2 very nice coats on these, and it should come out pretty good. Now we just let them dry. Alright guys, so it's been a full 24 hours since this clear coat was sprayed, and they look very good. You can see orange peel on there, and I'm going to take this an extra step further, and I'm going to get rid of that orange peel and polish it so it can look even better. 24 hours I think is enough time for this to dry. I really want to do it that yesterday, but again, I just gave it extra time just to harden and cure. And if you guys haven't seen my video on wet sanding and polishing, I suggest go check that out. It's one of my first videos I did on this channel, and it basically shows how to get rid of orange peel and get a nice shine out of Rust-Oleum spray paint. And that's what I'm going to use, that same method right here for these, so you can see. They look pretty reflective, but they'll look even better after a nice polish. Yeah, look at all that orange peel. And some stuff fell in, which I hope the wet sanding will take out. So yeah, let's get right to it. Alright guys, I just got done wet sanding. As you can see, it's not as shiny as it was before, but that's what wet sanding does compared to this over here that isn't complete yet. But I'm gonna try polishing this out now and bringing back the shine, and we'll see how it looks. So I just got done doing a compound polish on this, and you can already see the shine. Check that out. So this has been polished already, well compounded, and over here we get to where it hasn't been. You can right away see a difference. From that's just wet sanded, to right here, it's been polished. So on the left side, it's already been polished and compounded. On the right side, it hasn't. You can already see a major difference. Look at all this orange peel on this side versus this side. Now this isn't perfect because I didn't wet sand a whole bunch because I still wanted clear coat on there. But look. Versus over here. See all that? And versus over here. And this goes all the way down. So now I just got to repeat the same thing for that side right there. Alright guys, so since you saw how I did the last side skirt, I'm just going to go ahead and do this one off camera. So you guys already saw how it's done. Again, just wet sand, compound, and then possibly even polish. I might hit this with the polish, I might not, I don't know. But the next time you see me, well, these side skirts, they're going to be going on the car already. Okay, you guys, so that's the end of the footage I have so far. This is the future. You seen this video? This is maybe about 5 months from actually recording that video. I'm now editing it. Yes, I know I'm lazy. Leave me alone. But I realized I don't have an outro or videos of me installing the side skirts. I thought I did, but I guess I don't. So anyway, I put together some pictures here of the car a few weeks, I believe, after I installed the side skirts. And by the pictures, you can actually see that they look really good. And um, and yeah, it looks pretty OEM. The finish came out really good. Obviously, I'm talking about the car already. They've been on there for 6 months or 5 months, I believe. They're still on there. The only thing that I wish I would have done different was I wish I would have put more clear coat on because there are some parts of the clear coat now. This is December where I'm recording this. And I painted the side skirts back in like May, I believe. So I wish I would have put more clear coat because it's starting to peel off on some places. It's not too bad, but it does, you can kind of see it when you look really closely. But yeah, if you can see that the car looks really good. The side skirts look pretty OEM, at least from a distance. The way I installed it wasn't too well. I mean, I used the silicone. I wish I would have done something a little bit different, but at the time that's what I thought of, and it works. And it's still on the car, and it's still holding pretty damn well. So yeah, that's the end of the video. If you like what you see, obviously, like I always say, like and subscribe. Um, Hopefully, I'll get back to editing these. I have more videos lined up. Believe it or not, the car has changed quite a bit, and yeah, we'll see when those come out. So I'll see you in the next one.